You ready? Getting a new car, guys. Potentially. It's a little hint. It's a JDM car. It's a JDM. As you can see, it's 7 o'clock. It's pitch dark outside, but yeah, it is what it is, and it's raining. So I don't know how we're gonna be able to view the car in the dark, but we'll see. Let me know what you guys think it is in the comments now before we reveal it. Here it is, guys, the new daily Honda Civic 1.8. It's a VTEC, so it's got some kick to it, but this is the new runaround. This is Hannah's new car, actually. She'll be the one driving it mostly. This will be the car that she'll be practicing on and hopefully passing her test. It's in a gray. It looks kind of gold, but it's like a gray. Yeah, 1.8 VTEC, 140 horsepower. Look, guys, it's got a glass roof, baby. We got a sunroof. Yeah, it's automatic because Hannah only drives automatic. It's not bad, it's not bad. Got this off a local seller. For what we paid for, I think this is a really good deal. We got it for a steal, honestly. This is the new daily, guys. This is the new car in the channel. You guys want us to mod this car? We were thinking of doing a little back box delete. We're just gonna gas it up and then we'll probably head to somewhere else, get some food. First fill up of the new car. How do you open this shit? Oh, you gotta open it from the... I gotta open it from here. I gotta open the thingy... Here. Look at the sunroof on this bad boy. Double pan roof. Crazy spec. It's got cruise control, auto lights.
Did you take the flap thing for the start engine?
I took it off.
Why? It's over here.
Cause it looks like a Lamborghini and it's not.
It is a Lambo.
No, look at this, guys. They have this little thing here.
It's a Lambo.
Hell no, get that shit out of here. Yeah, it's even got heated mirrors, and electric mirrors. Come on, bro.
Harman Kardon.
How can
speakers?
you? Yeah, it's got Harman Kardon, the bootleg Harman Kardon. Honestly, guys, it's a pretty good spec. It's push to start as well. 2008. It's got push to start. Digital dash. Anyway, I'll show you guys that later. The old owner, it was a cat lady, as you can tell, and it was a woman driver. So yeah, if you guys have a cat. Look how big the boot is here. Look at this. Look at that. Massive, bro. Look, I can literally...
Full set of like...
Look at that. The only thing I don't like, this part kind of blocks the rear visibility a little bit. The car is not perfect, guys, but you can't really expect that from a 2008. This is an 18-year-old car, so there's gonna be some marks here and there, just from wear, just from the age.
Add some spacers.
Yeah, we're gonna lower this bad boy. We're gonna slam it, straight pipe the exhaust. It's gonna look sick. Watch out, guys. This is gonna be a dump shed this year. But yeah, no, this is Hannah's new car and will be the daily driver for now for me. Just something to drive far from the M4 so I don't rack up the miles too much on that car. And I think we copped a good one, hopefully, fingers crossed. We're gonna head home now, get some food. Yeah, man.
What the hell?
The clearance go crazy. Let me show you guys the interior actually. It's actually quite nice. You wouldn't think this is a 2008 with this kind of interior. Look at the digital dash. You've got a digital speedo there. There's even a smaller screen over there. Compare this to like an 08 Golf or like a Peugeot, some sort of like an Astra or something. Look at the seats. Two-tone interior, blue, you know. It's even nicer than my car. It's only black.
Oh, it starts like this?
Yeah, like that. And if you want to turn it off, you go left. If you want to take it off, you just push it in and go like that.
Oh, okay.
I don't even know when the last time this was washed, but we're gonna give the new car a quick rinse down because it is kind of filthy. Sheesh. Much better. All around here before it was a bunch of dirt, grass, I don't even know, a bunch of mold. We quickly sprayed it down so there's not much left. It kind of looks good in the sun. Paint is actually not bad. It's supposed to be gray, but it's more like a gold champagne kind of color. It actually looks quite nice. Alright guys, we're back. It's been like a week since we picked up Hannah's new car, the Civic VTEC. Yeah, ever since then, we've been driving this car every single day. Yeah, it's just been my daily driver. It's honestly been such a great car. It does the job. It gets me from A to B. And guys, the fuel economy is actually not that bad. It's like averaging 40 miles per gallon. And that's like double what the M4 gets. So definitely saving a lot of money with this car. But today we're finally taking out the M4. I haven't driven this in over a week. Someone's actually gonna come down and give the car a much needed wash. Like, look at this, guys. It's filthy. Someone's gonna come down and wash the car, and then we're gonna head down to a small Cars and Coffee out in Kildare. We're gonna meet up with a couple guys, and then we're gonna cruise down to that Cars and Coffee together. Damn. First startup in like 10 days. Will it start up though? I forgot to mention, the same day we got the car, I actually brought this car to get serviced. I brought it to Daly's Automotive Solutions in Kylemore. Top tier service, great guy, Declan. Shout out to Declan there. He did an amazing job taking care of the car. Couldn't recommend that shop anymore. But yeah. And speaking of Daly's, we might actually be coming back over there to get some parts fitted. So that's a little hint for you guys for the next mod. So I think we're gonna be ordering those parts today, and it should come within the week. In the meantime, let's go and get this washed. Alright guys, we met up with a couple of guys here. We have a C63 204, we've got a Golf R here. We also got my boy Ice in his bike. So we're just gonna head down to the Cars and Coffee now. It's about like 15-minute drive, so yeah, we'll see you guys there. Damn, that thing looks mean, bro. That front end. Damn. GT350 or something. Oh, you can smell the gas off that. You can smell the fumes. Damn, it's a 1965. Holy shit. That's probably the oldest car I've ever seen. Bro, 1965. That's probably the oldest. Probably the oldest.
My dad. Same age as you. Take this over now.
Huh?
Take this over now.
Hell no. Hell no.
Put a V8 in.
Babe, look, we should have brought your car. It's a Type S though. Yours is just a normal 1.8. You know these are VTECs?
Are they?
Yeah. Yeah. Chevrolet.
Oh, bro. Imagine.
They're like the, you know, the what are they called? The lowriders.
Lowriders.
Yeah.
So, you know, like rocking up the town, going up the spire. Me back.
Damn, this shit got slicks. GT86. Yeah, man, you should get this.
Like,
Sell 3 Series.
They're all overpriced.
They are.
They're also not fast.
This is the Lotus that we saw the other day. It's so nice, man. Paint is so nice though. Got the Lotus on the wings. Man, this would be sick on track. S3. Ooh. C63 wagon. Damn, bro. This is sick.
Would you have them over the air?
No. Just because it's a wagon though. I'm not in that stage of my life for a wagon yet.
A few minutes later.
Alright, you guys remember this place? We're back at the same spot the day I got the car. We got my boy Ice doing some work. We're gonna get some shots on the car. Man, this lighting is insane here in this car park. Also helps that the car was clean this morning, so the shots look amazing. The car looks so good. With the slow walking as well. Sheesh. Oh man, this is insane. This gives me throwback vibes, man. crazy. Man, the way the light hits on this paint is insane. Like, you can really see the depth of the blue now. Man, we are cooking, guys. He's got some insane clips, so stay tuned, man. All these videos are gonna look so good. Once again, shout out to my boy Mattis for getting the car all clean. It looks so good. I haven't seen the car this clean in months, so yeah, big shout out to my guy Mattis. If you guys ever need a detail, hit him up.
Yeah.